Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so we are only have 1 to 6 numbers for every column and every box. You're going to put these numbers inside. Okay, so after that, everything is good.说一下试试啊。Okay, so first of all, Lucas, can you tell me like which number you're going to start with?
The bottom left.
The bottom left?
Oh, the bottom left box.
The bottom left box here?
Yeah.
Okay, so which number are you going to put inside?
So it's 156, and then it's basically 2, 3, 4. And you put 2 in the middle one because 3 and 4 are already in the row.
Mhm.
And you put 3 on the top, right?
Why we put 3? Can we put 3 here?
Mm, You could, but you can't put a 4 there.
Very good. So we can only put 3 here and 4 here. Good job. Okay, Lucas, very good. Understand everybody? If we put it here, 4 is going to be bumping each other, right? Okay, so which number we're going to start next one?
Me?
No, Dan, like up here.
Like next,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, up here. So
I don't know. It's like it's like one row has to be the same, right?
Mhm.
Each one has to be the same. I really don't know how to play Sudoku.
You don't know
So
how to do it?
yeah, I
Okay, so
don't know.
each of the line could have 1 to 6, 1 to 6, 1 to 6. Each of the line has 1 to 6. And each of the column, like the vertical one and the horizontal one, only all have 1 to 6, one number each. And each of the box have one.
Oh, okay. Wait, Carrie, I think I got it.
So can you tell me? So which number you put it there?
It's like in the middle, I put 3.
And put 3, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 already. So you need a 5 and 6, right? So
Oh,
can you
wait,
put 5 here?
it's the whole thing?
Yeah, the whole
But
line. Yeah.
it's like this part, or is it just that part?
Every single part, only every single
Oh,
box, you only have one sets of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and every single line you can only have one sets of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you think about,
oh,
so if you put 5 here, it's gonna be bumping, right? So
yeah,
6 here and 5 here.
okay.
Mhm. Correct, everybody? Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. So how about Lucas? Can you tell me which next one you're going to start with?
Sorry, I was muted.
Mhm. Do you think this line would be better?
That could work, but no. Yeah. Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, I was frozen. Yeah, it works.
So which one you're going to put it there? So I think it's
You put,
1, 3, 4, right?
yeah,
So can we put 4 here?
put 4 in the very right.
We'll put 4 here, right? So and 1 and 3. So can we put 1 here?
Yeah, and then 3 on the other side.
The 3 is on the other side. Very good. So now everybody, let's take a look at this box. So we need 2 and 5. So can we do 2 here? Yes. Because if we put 5 here, 5 will be bumping on this line. Did you see that, Daniel? So 5 and 5 are here. So this one's could be only 2, and this one's 5. Get it? So, so we can see this line. So 2 and 6. Okay, so we have 6 here and 2 here, because if we put 6 here for this line, they're gonna be 2, 6, right? So we can see this box. So 1, 2, 3. So 4 and 1. So 1 and 4. We cannot decide it yet. Correct? Can we decide it? Not yet. Okay, so let's take a look at this box and this box. So 1, 3, and 6, correct? So 6 cannot be here, 6 can be here and here. And 1 can be everywhere, and 3 can be everywhere. It's not really help at all. So let's take a look at this one. So 5, 5, and 5 could only be where? So this 5, and 5 could be in this box only. Correct? So everybody, please using these two lines and tell me which two numbers are going to put. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 here and 6 here. We're gonna know. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 and 1. Not really help at all, right? Emma, can you help me? Lucas, are you still there? So all of you don't know how to do it? How about like that? We just so 4. Let's take like these ones.
I was muted.
1 and
Sorry.
3. Yeah. So 1 and 3. So 1 here, 3 is here, correct?
You put, yeah.
Yeah. So 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 we cannot still decide. Can we start it which one to go with? How about like that? We start to think maybe this one is 1.
Okay.
So this one will be 6. Let's just to make a guess. So everything we make a guess, I circled it. So if 1 is here,
That's one, then you have to, then the other one goes on the bottom, right?
so this one goes on the bottom, yes. Because we can only 1, 1, and 1 here, right? So if this is 1, so this is will be 3.
Six.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Correct, everybody? So now let's take a look at this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 and 6. So 2 will be here and 6 will be here because 6 is already there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 is here. This is 1. This is 4. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think we're good. We're done. Get everybody? Okay, so this will be part of your homework. Like today, we're going to just learn the Sudoku and
Wait, we're doing Sudoku for the whole day.
no，这个 holiday 是 holiday 的时候的给你们 additional 的 homework，因为可以玩一下嘛。Oh, by the way, how many red pocket you're going to get, Lucas?
I don't know.
啊，
None of my grandparents are here.
那个叫什么？Emma，你妈妈会给你吗？
I don't know.
My mom's gonna buy me McDonald's.
什么 Chinese New Year 只有 McDonald's 吗？
No, I don't know.
Okay, 1 second, okay? So we're going to take a look at today's thing, okay? Obviously, today we're not going to do Sudoku for the whole entire class. We're just to quickly go through this one, okay? So I know, Lucas, you hate this one the most, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So we learned this is a circle, right? Lilac, Daniel, Lucas, we learned that this is a circle before, right? So there are so many lines, right? There are so many lines. And I want you to take a look at this one, okay? So every single one is having a name. 1 second.
Where did Lilac go?
Yeah, Lilac 去哪儿了？Lilac 一看到题目难，然后下去了。
Oh, she's back.
She's back. Okay, hi Lilac. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. The tangent is a line that going to have only one point connected with a circle. We called it, it's a tangent, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So every single one we have a name. So circumferences is the perimeter of our circle, okay? And we have an arc, a part of the circle connecting two parts on the circle. Okay, everybody, did you see that? Okay, 如果有2个点，然后把它连起来 okay? So radius is the segment connecting to the center of the circle with a point on the circle. Diameter, the segment connecting 2 points on the circle and connecting the center of the circle. So if the diameter is having 3 dots on the same line. So chord, a segment whose endpoints are on the given circle. So I want to ask Lucas, what is the differences between arc and chord?
Arc is a part of circle that connects 2 points on the circle, and a chord is a segment where the endpoints are on the given circle.
Okay. So arc is a segment. Oh, sorry, arc is a part of the circle, and chord is a segment. That's the most important thing, okay? Arc 是圆的，chord 是一条线段。Get it, Emma? Okay, this is very important, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So what does the secant mean? A line that intersect the circle in 2 points. 它跟这个线跟这个圆有2个交点, so 2 points. Okay, tangents the line only have 1 point with the circle. Central angle is the angle with its vertices on the center of the circle.
I have a question.
Yes.
What's the difference between a chord and a secant?
Second is it's talk about the position of a line, but chord is talking about a line, talk about a segment. Second, 我们就说一条线跟圆 secant touching. So we know that they're touching the circle with 2 points. But chord, we're talking about a segment. 是一个线段, understand?
Oh,
Then
okay.
yeah, so we're talking about it's a purpose. It's not a thing itself. Secant is not a thing itself. So center angle is an angle with the vertex and the center. So this is a center angle. This is a center angle, Emma, but this is not a center angle because the
Mhm.
vertex is not in the center of the circle. Inscribed angle, an angle whose vertex is on the circle and whose sides each intersects the circle at the point other than the vertexes. 看到了没有？这个就是一个 this is inscribed angle, this is a center angle. So I want to ask Emma, what is the differences between center angle and inscribed angle?
The center angle is like from the center of the circle, and then the inscribed angle is like from the side.
Very good. Understand, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at next one, okay? So the sum of the interior angle of the triangle is 180. Everybody understand, right? The number of degrees in the circle is 360. The circumference of the circle is equal to pi times its diameter, or 2 times pi times radius. The area of the circle is equal to pi times its radius squared. So area is pi times r squared, okay? So the Pythagorean theorem states that the sum of the square of the legs of the right triangle is equal to its hypotenuse. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Understand, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Please find out what is the angle of B. This is so easy. The top angle is 50, and we have isosceles triangles. When you have isosceles triangles, that means the 2 legs the same and 2 angles also the same. So please find out the angle B for me and send it to me by chat.
Oh,
So this is 50. So 180 minus 50 equals 130. So 130 divided by 2 equals 65 degrees. Correct, everybody? Thank you, Emma. Good job. Okay, Emma, very good. Congratulations. And IPA, Lilac, and Lucas, you don't know how to do it? Lucas 啊，你
What
不
was
会
supposed
算，
to tell you?
I know how to do it.
那为什么不发
Oh,
给我？就直接发给我，让我就不用讲了呀。这道题目太简单。
65.
Okay, yeah. 那这个好了，那这样子 everybody quickly find BC.
Where? Oh. Um. 13.
Okay, very good. Good job, IPA. And Emma, do you understand 5 squared plus 12 squared and square root? So we're not going to do that, okay? So let's take a look at this one, okay? So the chord property. If you're given two of the following statements, line through the center, line perpendicular to another line bisects another line, then you can imply the third statement. So there are three statements. They're always right for each other. If two of them are proper, then the third one must be right as well. So let's take a look at this one, okay? In a circle, so if I give you AB is perpendicular to CD and CD bisects chord AB. So what does it mean? So CD immediately equally cut AB into two parts. Understand, Emma? CD cut AB into two parts. Lucas, did you see that? There's a little line here that means AE equals EB. This is very important. Could you please stop doing anything else?
Hmm?
你在看别的东西呢？
Bro, I'm taking notes on my computer.
为什么呀？
What do you mean, 为什么?
为什么呀？
So I know, don't forget.
OK。OK，小朋友们看一下啊。
Wait, what does then you can imply the third statement mean?
就是比如说啊，老师跟你讲，AB 是10厘米，OK？CD 呢，perpendicular on AB，so that means CD is 垂直在 AB 上，OK？So immediately I know that CD passes through the center of the circle. Or I told you CD is passed through the center of the circle. And also CD cuts AB into half. So that means AE equals EB. So you can immediately find out CD is actually perpendicular to AB. Understand? So that means we have 1, 2, and 3. So if you have 1, 3, then 2 must be right. If you have a 1, 2, 3 must be right. If you have 2, 3, 1 must be right. We're going to using more examples to understand this better. So first of all, please take notes for all of them. Okay, everybody, if you finished. So let's take a look at this one, okay? So you can see if CD bisects AB and CD passes through the center of the circle, and we know AB perpendicular to CD. So let's take a look at this one. What is the radius of the circle? Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. So because we have a circle, and Emma, I want you to take a look at this one. OC is go through O, right? So that means OC is go through the center of the circle, right? So the third one is applied. Okay, and you can see OC perpendicular to AB. So that means the first one is applied. So that means the second one must be right as well. What is the second one? That means OC cut AB into two equal parts. Understand, Lucas? So if AB equals
Yeah.
8, so AC equals 4 and CB equals 4. And because this is a perpendicular, sorry, it's a right triangle for COB. So that means OC equals 3 and OB equals what? And CB equals 4. So this is 4, this is 3, this is 5. So AB equals 4. Sorry, 5, which is AKA the radius of the circle. Understand, everybody? Emma? Lilac? Daniel? Lucas? Do you all understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. So we have the exercise set. So I'm going to help you with the first and second one, and then later on we're going to do it yourself, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So determine the missing value. I want to know AB. And because this line cut AB into the equal parts, because this is going through the center and this is perpendicular, so that's why AB equals what? 4 times 2 equals 8. Okay, so let's take a look at number B. And because this one is 5, and this one is 15, the whole thing is 15, I think. So the radius will be 10. Correct, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at number C and number D. Okay, please do number C and number D yourself.
We message you the answer.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. So the first one is perpendicular and the number A is 35 degrees. Good job, Lucas. Good job, Emma. And Lilac and I here, what are you doing? Oh, so tight, so quiet.
Wait, you have to send it?
Yeah?
Oh, okay. Wait, let me send it now.
Okay, thank you. I'm here. Good job. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. EF and AB. Okay, EF and AB. Boys and girls, your turn. Okay, so I'm going to start this one, okay? So Lucas, good job. And Emma and everybody, please show me.
Harry,
Mm-hmm,
I'm stuck on question A.
mm-hmm. You have question on A? Okay, so let me just do this, okay? So first of all, everybody, the first question is very easy. Ask you about the O, right? So because the triangles, all degrees is 180, and you know, for these two lines are represent the radius. A radius of what? A radius of the circle, so that's why it's the what? Is the isosceles triangle, so that's why it's 30 and 30, so this one's 120. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this question is hard. Okay, so let me just do over this one. So line here and line here. Okay, so we create a triangle here. So this is 16, this is 4, so that's why it's 20. So this is 10. So this is 6 and this is 4. So if you know the radius of a triangle is, sorry, of a circle is 10, so every single radius is 10 as well. So this is 6, this is 10. How about, so the radius will be, the answer, the question is asking about the radius, so we already did it, it's 10. Okay, Lucas, you tell me it's 8. So you calculate exactly this part, right? But the question is asking you, what is radius? So do you know why you're making
Oh,
mistakes? You never look at the question. The question is asking you.
sorry.
Yeah. Okay, so number 2, A and B. Okay, Lucas, don't forget to do these questions, okay? 你想想 OD 是什么？OD 是 10。来，我屁股打啊！
I forgot how to do it.
你老师刚刚教过的呀。那 OD 是什么？What is OD？
The diameter. Oh wait, no, already.
想想看，OD 是什么？是 radius of the circle。我们 radius 怎么算的，Lucas？Okay, everybody, let's take a look at this one. If AC equals 20, BC equals 5, can you tell me AB equals what, Lucas? Emma, can you tell me AB equals what?
25.
Okay, so can you also tell me AB equals what?
Diameter.
Diameter. Okay, so OD equals what?
Radius.
Very good. What is the relationship between diameter and radius?
Radius is half the diameter.
Okay, so diameter is 25. So divided by 2 equals what?
Oh,
Yeah, 12.5. Okay, everybody, so let's take a look at this one. So OA, give you another minute, okay? So I hope you understand this better.
okay, I'm done.
Mm-hmm. 看一下小朋友们 if this one is 9, can you imagine this one's also 9? Very good. Good job, Emma. Good job. You get it, okay? So this one's also 9. Get it, Lucas? So if this little segment is 3, so OA equals what, Daniel? 9 minus 3 equals 6. Good job. Emma, very good. Lucas, do you understand? 啊，这个
Yeah,
学的不好，对不对？原来学校的时候学的不太好，对不对？那刚好这个重新复习一下。Daniel, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so why it's not 4.5? Understand? Because it's OA. You need to know where's OA. Okay, let's take a look at number 2, C, D, E, F. Okay, everybody, your turn.
see what?
C, D, E, F 呀，四道题啊。
Okay.
Harry,
Mm-hmm.
for wait, for A, so like the A over there,
Mm-hmm.
what is it? Is it like the line that's like vertical or horizontal?
Which one? Number
It's like D.
number D? A, B?
Yeah.
So they
No,
want you
no,
to find out. Uh-huh.
A. It's like what is it representing?
Oh, so this one is 8. This line is 8.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm going to just start to explain, okay? So we have AB equals, we want to find out AB. So Emma, could you please tell me what is the line of this one? What is the measurement of this one?
That one.
Yeah,
Isn't that the
also 9, right? Also 9, right? Okay, so if this is 9, so what is this one? So this is 6, correct? Because 9 minus 3 equals 6, correct? So AB equals what? AB equals 9 squared minus 6 squared and square root. So equals 81 minus 36 square root equals 45 square root. So the answer is 3 and square root 5.
Oh,
But they want to know AB, so it's times 2. It's 6 and square root 5. Mhm. Okay, everybody understand? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We again find out what is AB. So AB equals what? AB equals the diameter minus this little part, right? Or we can say radius plus this little part. Okay, so we started to do this. So somebody asked me, what does A represent? So this is 8. So if this part is 8, this is part is also 8 because this AB bisect this line. Okay, so if this is 8, this is 10. So this is what? Because if this one is 10, we can see this one is also 10 as well, right, Emma? Because they're both radius. So because this is 10, this is 8, I know this is what? This is 6. So who's talking? So okay, AB equals what? Equals 10 plus 6 equals 16. So do you understand why I get this 6? Because it's 100. So 10 squared minus 84. So 8 squared and square root equals 36 square root equals 6. Understand, Lucas? Okay, so let's take a look at number E and number F, okay? Number E and number F. So we can see AB, we don't know what it is. Obviously, if we know what is this one, we can times 2 and we net AB. So this is 5, this is 13, very easy. This one equals what? Equals 13 squared minus 5 squared, and square root equals 12. So AB equals what? 12 times 2 equals 24. Okay, so CD equals 2 and DE equals 8. So the diameter equals 2 plus 8. So radius equals what, Daniel? Daniel?
If the diameter is 2 plus 8, then the radius is 5.
Very good. So if the radius is 5, can we say this one's 5? Okay, so this one is 3. Why? Because CO equals OB, they're both 5, right? So this is 2, this is 3. So for this right triangle, so it's 5 squared minus 3 squared and square root, so that's why. Oh, DB equals 4. If DB equals 4, AB equals what? If 4 times 2 equals 8. Understand, Emma? Okay, good job. You get it right, right? Okay, so let's see. GH and IJ.
Wait, here it's IJ, right?
Yeah, GHIJ. Yeah, 4 questions. Can you see it, Daniel? Maybe. You can verify yourself. Lucas, 你把答案发给我啊。
Answer?
Mhm.
Let me do some square root calculation. I just left it like that.
Okay, everybody, when you see this little line, that means these two lines are equals to each other, okay? Okay, let me just help you, okay, everybody? So let's take a look at this one. If 10 is here, so that means this one is also 10. Okay, but the thing is because AB, we need to find this one, so we can just name this one as A. So A squared plus A squared equals 10 squared. Do you understand, everybody? Because Pythagorean theorem, Lucas? Okay, so 2A squared equals 100. So A squared equals 50. So A equals 5 square root 2. So AB equals 2A, so equals 10 square root 2. Okay, number 2. AB equals what? So we can see this one equals 15. So that means this one equals 15 as well. Correct, everybody? Okay, because this is 12, this is 12, and so this is 15 as well. So if this one equals A, so this one equals 15 minus A, right? I don't think this question is. So we have AB. It doesn't say that AB equals 15. Correct, everybody? I don't think this question's right. Emma,
I didn't get it.
you don't get it? You get it?
I don't.
Yeah, I don't think this question, it doesn't say anything about it. No. So let's take a look at number I. So we have 6 and the 6 is here. So we have this one. If this one's A, this one will be half A. Understand, everybody? Because if I say this is B, OB is also A, right? So that means A squared minus 6 squared equals A over 2 squared. So A squared times 3 over 4 equals 36. 3A squared equals 144, and A squared equals 48. So A equals 4 and the square root of 3. But we want to know OA. Let me see. OA equals what? OA, that's the same thing. I should connect OA. So it's 4 and the square root of 6. Okay, get it, everybody? So let's take a look at this one. OA equals what? So in order to find out this OA, we need a line connected with O, and I just named this one as B. Okay, so you can see this is 20, so OB equals what? OB equals 10, right? And because OA perpendicular on CB, so AB equals 8. So OA equals what? Equals 10 squared minus A squared equals OA squared. So 36 equals OA squared, so OA equals 6. Get it, everybody? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Okay, so we're going to take a look at number 6. Number 6 is a word problem, so I want you to take a look and get it to me. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this is very important, is about drawing the picture first. So let's take a look at this one. So this is a door, okay? I'm maybe not drawing very perfectly. Okay, so down the top of the church door, there's a semicircle arc of the radius of 80. So the arc of the radius is 80 centimeter. The top of the arc is 3 meters. So everybody, so this is 3 meters. This is 80 centimeter. So you have to do what, Lucas? The first of all,
Invert.
you cannot just to do one is in vertical in centimeter, the other one is 2 meters. Okay, this is wrong. So we can do 300 meters, right? So it's 300 centimeters, I'm sorry. So the top of the arc is 300 and 300 above the floor. What is the width of the floor? I think we can also find out what is the height of the door as well, right? Because this church of the door radius is 80. So what is the width? The width is 80 centimeter times 2 equals 160 centimeter. Get it, Emma? And what is the height? The height is what is 300 minus 80 equals 240. So that is correct, everybody? Okay, so without the picture, it is very hard to imagine what is going on, correct? Okay, so now let's take a look at number 7 and the number 8. Please draw the picture yourself, okay?不要看别的东西，你们看别的东西声音的我都听到了。有个小朋友就 L 开头的名字，
What? What am I looking at?
我听到后面有声音呢。
No.
Harry, can I go to the washroom?
Of course.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, everybody, so go. A circle
Um,
with the
I
radius.
I don't understand number 8, the question.
Okay, so let's take a look at number 7 first, okay? A circle with the radius of centimeter, 10 centimeter. Has 2 chords, okay? So Lucas, what is chords?
Um, those things that bisect, like and is perpendicular to the line.
So can you draw the picture on my screen for this question?
So this is the radius, and then the chord is like that.
Mm-hmm. 2 chords, okay? So AB and CD. So AB equals 16, CD equals 12, and how much closer to the center of the circle then? Okay, so what does it mean? So that means this is AB, so sorry, this is CD, and this is AB. Okay, so this is chord, and this is the center. Oh, get it, everybody? So they say how much closer AB to CD then AB is closer. So that means AB is closer to the center than CD. Correct, everybody? So this is the thing, okay? So we know the radius is 10. I want you to close like that. Sorry, I was wrong. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So we have E and F. So first of all, let me ask you. So EOD is a right triangle? Right? And we also have another triangle is FOB. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So if radius of this circle is 10, so that means OD equals OB equals 10. Right, so because AB and CD is equally cut by EF, so this is 6 and this is 8. So you can calculate EO equals 8 and FO equals 6. So how much closer? So what is the distance between CD and OB? Is 8 minus 6 equals 2. Get it? Okay, I'm gonna stop here, let you think about it. Emma, do you understand this question? Okay, Daniel? Get it, everybody? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. If you don't have any question, I'm moving on, okay? 我可以往下了吗？有问题的现在可以问我啊。Two circle with center O and P intersect at AB. So I'm just doing this. Okay, so there are two centers, two circles, O and P. Okay, so intersect A and B at AB equals 24. If AO equals 13 and AP equals 15, what is the length of OP? Get it, Lucas? Okay, you need to write on the picture like that. Draw the picture like that.
Oh, it's two circles connected.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Okay.
弄好了，告诉老师啊，这个题目画好了，老师帮你们把题目画好了，是不是会好一点？Okay, so everybody, you can see this is 13, this is 15, this is 24. And this one, this line exactly cut what? Cut AB into half. So that's why this is 12. Understand? Get it, everybody? So this is 12, this is 15. So very easy. So the distance will be this part plus this part. Correct, Emma? So 13 squared minus 12 squared equals what? Equals 169 minus 144 equals 25. So OF, so BF equals what? Equals 5 centimeters. And here, 15 squared minus 12 squared equals 225 minus 144, so equals 81. So this one equals 9. So the distance between OP is 5 plus 9 equals 14. Okay, I hope you understand it. So if you don't understand, please let me know, okay? So we're moving forward, the last question, okay? So this is your homework. I hope you understand very well, okay? Before I go. A pipe of radius of 20 centimeters filled with water less than half full of the depth of D. If the width of the water surfaces is 48 centimeter, what must be the depth be? Okay, everybody, take a look. Okay, everybody, just please finish this question and I'm going to explain. So everybody, let's take a look at this one, okay? So the pipe of the radius are 25. What does it mean? So we have to have a pipe. So everybody, when we're doing this one, the first one, I want you to have a circle drawn here, okay? So the filled with water less than half of the depth. So if it is the half, everybody, there will be exactly just a touching the diameter, right? But obviously it's not there. Get it, Lilac? So we need to have a line lower than the diameter, something like that, okay? Something like that. So we can have a depth like that. So this is the depth. So this is a D. The width of the water surfaces, is 48. So that means what? This one's 48. So if I cut it half, this is 24, correct? And the radius is 25. So we know that if this one is x, so it's 25 minus x equals the depth, correct? Okay, we can have 25 squared minus 24 squared and square root and find out the depth of this part. And then you can using 25 minus this one, so equals this one. So let me see, 25 squared equals 625 and 24 squared equals what? 576. So equals 49, so 49 squared equals 7. So the depth will be 25 minus 7 equals 18. Get it, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class, and your homework will be not easy at all, okay? Especially Lucas, you need to show me and how you get the answer and everything. So we have almost all the questions has been done by me already. So the number 10 is a challenge question. Emma, let me give you some hint, okay? In order to do this question, you need to make this into the semicircle or the whole circle, because this is only the part of the circle. Get it? So you make this one into the whole circle and you will know, like, find out the center and find out the radius. Understand? So next week, we're going to explain this question again. Okay, because I know this part is pretty hard. Huh? Lucas,
Can
what's
you show me what you're drawing for number 9 again? I got 13.
you guys 13? 那我
Yeah.
把那个做好以后，我发到群里面吧。我写的再清楚一点，因为我后面还有一节课，没有办法这样说，好吗？我把这个发好，发到群里面。And so where question is, we don't have to do number five, okay? Number 5, you
Mhm.
don't have to do it. And number 3, you don't have to do it. The rest of them, most of them has been covered by me with you all together already. But the number 9, Lucas, you're not very clear about it. So I'm going to just do because my pen is not really working today. So probably my drawing is really bad. So I'm going to do it on the paper, and I'm going to record the whole process and send it to the WeChat group. Lucas, are you going to be able to see the WeChat group?
My mom will probably show me.
Yeah, you can ask your mom to send it to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
that's it for today's class, and I wish you have a very good Chinese New Year, and show me how much red pocket you are going to get for the next week, okay? Okay, so that's it for today's class. Okay, have a nice night. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.